For centuries, we viewed aging as an inevitable curse, a divine clock we couldn't stop. But what if the clock isn't broken? What if it just lost its settings? Enter CRISPR 2.0. This new breakthrough allows for safe DNA repair. It doesn't rewrite your code. It restores the epigenetic information lost to time. We are harmonizing cellular reprogramming with a lens of moral stewardship. This isn't about playing God. It's about fulfilling our role as wise stewards of the body, the temple we've been given. We are using precise tools to repair systemic decay. By focusing on DNA repair and epigenetic health, we transform aging from a curse into a treatable medical condition. We are reclaiming the vitality intended for us, reversing the biological clock without compromising the integrity of our genetic blueprint. The future of longevity is here, rooted in science and faith. Visit amhealth.ca to help you stay young and serve longer. Email us at info@amhealth.ca. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone you love.